5 herbal remedies for irregular periods. Irregular periods are distressing. Often a skipped one is due to hormonal difference. Infrequent or revoked per month times can be due to hormonal discrepancy, low weight, excessive workout, and stress. Females have used organic herbs to suppress their testosterone for hundreds of years. Combined with a decent diet program, regular rest and regular workouts, organic herbs can help to bring your body coming back into stability and manage per month menstruation. Number 1 is turmeric. Being a warming herb, turmeric is also considered helpful in regulating menstruation and balancing the hormones. Its omega-3 properties help to stimulate the menstrual flow. Moreover, its antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties relieve the menstrual pain. Consume 1/4 teaspoon of the turmeric with milk, honey or jaggery. Take it daily for several weeks or until you see the improvement. Number 2 is coriander seeds. Due to its amengin properties, coriander seeds help to promote the menstruation. Boil 1 teaspoon of the coriander seeds in 1 cup of water until the quantity of the water reduces to 1 cup. Strain the seeds from the liquid. Drink this 3 times daily for a few days prior to your period. Do this for a few months. Number 3 is fennel. Fennel is a great herb for treating irregular menstruation period. Being a potent amengin properties, it promotes the menstruation and also relieves the cramping associated with premenstrual syndrome. Due to its antispasmodic properties, moreover, it can help to rebalance the female sex hormone. Soak 2 tablespoons of the fennel seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, strain the solution and drink it. Use it daily for a month or until your menses become regular. Number 4 is mint. A combination of dried mint and honey serves as a good diuretic remedy for irregular menstrual periods. It can help to ease the menstrual cramps. Simply consume 1 teaspoon of the dried mint powder mixed with 1 teaspoon of the honey. Repeat 3 times a day for several weeks. Number 5 is carrot juice. Being a good source of iron, carrot juice is another simple home remedy for irregular menstrual periods. Raw carrots also boost up the hormone functioning. Drink a glass of carrot juice irregular for 3 months. You can combine it with other vegetables, daily fruit juices. In addition to carrot juice, include corn lattice, beets, drumsticks, pumpkin seeds in your diet. It is believed that drinking sugarcane juice for a week or 2 prior to your expected periods helps with regulation of your menstrual cycle.
You like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.